Get inside here. I can feel many candies here. Please give me candy. Candy, candy. Yummy candy, candy.
Cute kids, how many candies do you want?
Oops! Oh my God! Monster! Help me!
What? Monster? And I look so scary. You are mean.
Hurry up and finish this. We're gonna be late. I have to win the Halloween contest.
Okay, Tayo. I will make you the best monster of the year. If you put the screw on. Oh my God, the screw just fell off. It's better to give up.
You told to make anything. You're a liar.
What? Liar? I surely put in screws, but it may hurt a little bit.
Help me!
How is it? The screw is put on surely, isn't it?
Does it really look like Frankenstein? By the way, why am I so dizzy?
OMG! What kind of acorn is it? I don't need any acorn. Oh! Change acorn to candy. Here's your candy. Enjoy it. Huh? You guys' dress are totally different. You became a bat costume. Aha! Yes! Shall we go for the Halloween contest? I have a great idea!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Halloween contest. This year, there are many great participants who is waiting right now. Wow, I feel so hot in here because of the heat of the audience.
Oh, I'm scared to death.
First participant, a little bus Tayo.
Ha ha ha! I'm Frankenstein! Can you see screws driven into my head? Ha 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 ha!
Wow, Tayo, you really look like a monster. Amazing!
Panting hard. See ya.
Second participant, a little bus Gani.
Oh, that's Dracula. Also, you're next to the bat. Let me introduce my family. I am a first Dracula, Gani. This is second. This is third. Now we suck it with blood.
Gani, look at the top of your head. It looks like a real bat.
No, scary. Oh my God, it's a bat. Run, guys, run. No, I am so scared to bat.
Oh my, the contest messed up for a while because of the bat. Sorry. Let me introduce the following participants.
Hello, the most beautiful monsters from around the world. That's boring. Not scary at all.
Huh, what kind of reaction is this? I have tried my best to prepare. Everyone's going too far. Uh-oh.
Now, the following participant is Taxi Nudie.
Hello, I dressed up as a pumpkin.
I haven't prepared anything. What should I do?
Wow, scary. Awesome. How could he make up like that? So scared.
Thanks for your compliment. But I'm a good car if you get to know me better, so don't be too scared.
Now, it is Police Car Pat.
I am the evil police. I'll arrested all the good cars.
Oh my gosh, what kind of police is it? Who cares? It's Halloween Day.
I am Pink Spider Girl. I have 8 legs.
Wow, it's pretty. Awesome.
This time, Bong Bong come out.
Bong Bong is a little bit ashamed. Huh? Where are the delicious smells emanating?
Hello? I'm a hot dog car. If you pick me, I will make everyone can eat hot dogs.
Wow, it's pretty.
After the contest, please take the trash with you. I am not going to clean up today.
Oh my god! I'm late for the contest! I need to be in a hurry. Huh? Isn't it zombie? Really? Looks real.